Good morning, everybody. We have Asha here, and Asha would like to share her experience with everyone in regards to her dental journey, which started about a year ago, right?
Even older. It's
About
like
a year ago,
a year and a half, I think.
almost a year and a half ago, we went through a lot of phases in order to get her to where she is today. So, from the day that you came in, if you remember, we basically.
I was scared.
Oh yeah.
I was crying.
You were crying. I remember
was
that
bad.
day. Yeah,
It
we went
was
through
bad.
half of my tissue box.
Yeah, something like
But
that.
she really wanted to get to the point where she is today, and
Yeah.
we were able to come up with a plan, right?
Yes.
We had a very comprehensive plan for her in regards to
we-
where she could go.
Yeah, we did a lot.
We did a lot
changed
with the implants, with the Invisalign, with a lot of things, and now you have a very beautiful smile where we are very proud, side to side, healthy, teeth are healthy, the bite feels good,
Yes.
and more importantly, you are not afraid of dentists anymore.
No, yes and no. It's like I'm not afraid of you.
Yes.
Because you made me feel comfortable and all the team made me feel comfortable. I was freaking out, I can tell you. I was absolutely freaking out, and Dr. Besari just make me to feel like I'm in a place where I can feel safe with someone who tried to help me and not like pushing me to anything. He was asking me all the time if I want to do it or if I want to take a rest or something. So he was always trying to find a way how to make me feel even more comfortable about doing the stuff that before was impossible for me. And this was just amazing thing that I could do it, and Dr. Besari could help me with it.
Here we go. Yes. So basically, she is feeling way better than
Yes.
where we started.
Yes.
And I wanted to share this with everyone that is not feeling comfortable coming to dentist, right? Or probably shared the same experience that you shared in the past, and now you are feeling much more comfortable and feeling better about your smile and having a healthy smile and healthy teeth.
Yay.
Here we go. We look forward to seeing you smile for many, many, many more years.
Yes. Thank
All
you
right.
so much.
Thank you.